Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we will start with unit 4 fractional numbers. So what is fraction? You have studied this concept in standard 4th. So fraction is part of whole. Fraction has two terms. One is numerator and other is denominator. The top number is called numerator and bottom number is called denominator. For example, in fraction 2 upon 5, 5 is denominator and it represents total parts in whole, and 2 is numerator and it represents number of parts we have. For example, in this circle, we divide the circle in 5 parts and shade 2 of the parts. So it represents the fraction 2 out of 5. Now types of fraction. Let us start with like fractions and unlike fractions. So what are like fractions? Fractions having denominators are same. For example, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. All these are like fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions having denominators different. For example, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4. All are unlike fractions. Next is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed number. Proper fraction, a fraction having numerator is less than denominator. For example, 2 upon 5, this is proper fraction. Improper fraction having numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 7 upon 3 मीन्स हमने 3 में से 7 पार्ट्स लिए, तो फर्स्ट 3 कंप्लीट कर लिए, देन नेक्स्ट 3 6 पार्ट्स हो गए. अगेन हमने जो एक यूनिट थी कंप्लीट उसका 1 पार्ट कवर किया. सो इट रिप्रेजेंट 7 अपॉन 3. सो व्हेन वी रिप्रेजेंट improper fraction into mixed number, it is 2 whole units and proper fraction 1 by 3. So we can say that mixed number or mixed fraction is a combination of whole and proper fraction. Next is unit fractions. Fractions whose numerator is equals to 1. वो फ्रैक्शंस जिनका न्यूमिरेटर 1 हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 upon 2, 1 upon 23, 1 upon 6. All these fractions are unit fractions. Next is equivalent fractions. Fractions which express value of same part of whole, जो सेम पार्ट को ही रिप्रेजेंट करें. All these fractions are called equivalent fractions. For example, this circle represent fraction 2 upon 2. This circle represent the fraction 4 upon 4. So, but you can say this fraction represent full circle. Also, this fraction represent full circle. So, these two fractions are equal. In this figure, this fraction is 4 upon 8. Means there are 8 parts of circle and we shade 4 parts, यानी कि हाफ हमने शेड कर दिया. Also, when we divide the circle in 2 parts and shade 1 part, so this represent fraction 1 upon 2. But these two fractions represent half part of the circle, so these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Now how we can check the fractions are equivalent or not? For example, if we have to check whether 4/7 and 12/28 are equivalent or not. So we multiply the terms of fraction, means terms means numerator and denominator, by the same number. So when we multiply 4/7 by 3, then 4 3s are 12, but 7 3s are 21, not 28. So these fractions are not equivalent. Now in second, when we multiply the terms of this fraction by 8, then 8 5s are 40, 6 8s are 48. So these two fractions are equivalent. Now you can check for these two. Next topic is fraction in the lowest terms. We can understand this concept with the help of an example. So let us take a fraction, say 2/3. You know 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator, and numerator and denominator are called terms of fraction. Now when we multiply the terms of fraction by 2, we get higher terms of the fraction, यानी हमें बड़ी टर्म मिल गई. 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6, but 4/6 is higher term of 2/3. Similarly, when we multiply 2/3 by 4, it is equivalent to 8/12. So 8/12 is also higher term of 2/3. But when we divide 4/6 by same number, say 2, we get 2/3. Or when we divide 8/12 by 2, we got 4/6. So 2/3 and 4/6 are lower terms. सो इस कॉन्सेप्ट से हमें ये पता चलता है कि जब हम किसी फ्रैक्शन की टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें हायर टर्म्स मिलती हैं, बट व्हेन वी डिवाइड द टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शन बाय अ नंबर वी गेट लोअर टर्म्स. नाउ लोएस्ट टर्म मीन्स जो लोअर टर्म्स में से सबसे छोटी है. For example, when we divide 8/12 by 2, it is equivalent to 4/6. बट हम 4/6 की भी लोअर टर्म फाइंड कर सकते हैं इसको फर्दर 2 से डिवाइड करके, एंड इट इज़ इक्वल्स टू 2/3. बट नाउ चेक, कैन वी डिवाइड 2 and 3 by same number? No, we cannot further divide 2/3 by a common number except 1. हम 1 के अलावा इसको किसी और नंबर्स के साथ डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. सो 2/3 इज़ द लोएस्ट टर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when we have to find the lowest term of 36/54, we divide 36 and 54 by a same number. In this question we divide this by 9. You can try for 2, 3, 6 also. Now 9 4s are 36 and 9 6s are 54. So it is equivalent to 4/6. Again we can divide 4 and 6 by a same number and it is 2. So when we divide 4/6 by 2, it is equivalent to 2/3. So 2/3 is lowest term of 36/54. Now let us solve some questions of worksheet 1. First one is encircle the fraction in its lowest term. First one is done for you. 2/5 is in its lowest term. Now in part D, 4/5 is in its lowest term. In part B, 1 upon 6 is in its lowest term, and in E 3 upon 5 is in its lowest term. Now second is tick those fractions which are in the lowest term. First is 6 upon 10. No, because we can divide 6 and 10 by a same number, which is 2. 1 upon 8. Yes, this is in lowest term. This is also in lowest term. 21 upon 15. No, because we can divide 21 and 15 by 3. Similarly, you can solve these parts. Now question number 3 is reduce into the lowest term. Part A is 9 upon 12. So you know, to find the fraction in lowest term, we divide the numerator and denominator by same number. So 9 and 12 both are divisible by 3. So it is equals to, when 9 divided by 3, it is equals to 3, and 3 4s are 12, so 3 upon 4. Now we cannot further divide 3 upon 4 by same number, so 3 upon 4 is fraction in lowest term. Second is 18 upon 24. You know 18 and 24 divisible by 2, 3 and 6. So let us start with 2. We can divide by 3 also or 6 also. Now 2 9s are 18 upon 2 12s are 24. Now we can further divide 9 upon 12 by same number, and it is 3. So it is equals to 3 upon 4, which is the fraction in lowest term. So complete worksheet 1 on your notebooks. Thank you and have a good day.